Morning folks, Henry Marsh here with Team FHFH TV, and this is into about our third week of longbeard season here in North Carolina. Got my good friend Chad Scott with me this morning, and we're going to head down and hunt some of our own private tract lands that we have leased in Anson County. And Chad, you was down earlier this season, wasn't you?
Yeah, sure was.
Did you have any luck?
No luck, but I heard some gobbling.
I'm telling you, we had a good friend of ours text a picture to me last Friday morning. Said he actually heard 3 toms gobble over on one of our tracts down there, and he managed to call one to himself and harvest a nice bird. So we're going to head about an hour and a half south this morning down in Anson County, North Carolina, and see if we can find an old gobbler. See if we can get the job done. Chad, no pressure, but brother, you need to put one in front of it.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, y'all stick around. Let's see what happens here after daylight in North Carolina. Yeah, baby, way to go. We got him, baby. All right, folks. Check him out, baby. Get this old savage safe. Check him out. Nice long beard here. All right. Beautiful, beautiful bird. Been working hard all the way from up in Virginia down through North Carolina trying to get an old Eastern this year. It's been tough. I'd like to thank my good buddy Chad Scott running the camera for me. And I'd like to thank some good tips from Ed here at owns this property. Ed gave us a good tip on this long beard this morning. Been seeing him strutting the field. Hey, paid off big time. Folks, like I say, great morning here in the Anson County woods. Good 3-year-old bird. Beautiful bird. I want to thank Chad Scott again for running the camera. It's a good 3-year-old bird. Can't be more delighted. Check out his spurs, about 11-inch beard on him. Check out this 3-year-old bird. I mean, those things are razor sharp on the end. Just like about a good 7/8 inch spur. Just a beautiful bird. Look at the beard here on him. Looks like probably a push out there, folks. I believe that beard will push 11 inches. Maybe even 11 and a half. Just a great morning here in the turkey woods. I want to thank the good Lord for a good, safe hunt. Like I say, y'all stick around. More action to come from Team FHFH TV.
Hey folks, we're here in Anson County again. My good buddy Henry Morris just killed a turkey. We'll see if we can get one for me. Go down here and check it out and see what's going to happen. Y'all stay tuned.
folks, Henry and I done it again. We got a double header again this year. Henry got a bird earlier today, and we come over here on another little piece of property we own and walked through here and struck this bird up, and it wasn't long, and here he come. Took us about 15 minutes to get him. Come up right at the edge of the field. Didn't get really good footage of him, but I think we're going to be able to see him. Everything looked good, and it turned out great. We had a great day.